Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the normal distribution on a calculator from the 8.6 lecture. So I'm going to go to the very first problem when we did the calculator. I already had a video showing you how to do it on a TI-84. Now I'm going to show you on Desmos. So you want to make sure you go into functions, and then you're going to go down to the probability distributions, and we're going to select normal distribution, which is the top left corner here. So now it's asking, what do you want for the mean and standard deviation? So in that problem, they were taking a test. It was a mean of 100, comma, and then the standard deviation of 12.3. So we have everything typed in that we need. Now they're saying, what are the percent of the scores between 70 and 80? So I click the cumulative probability, this little triangle, and it says, do you want an inner, an outer, a left side, or a right side? So in this case, I'm going to do an inner, the data between 70 and 80. Now it pops up right away. It has the 0.045, but if I click on that, there's my full decimal. And if I hit that button, it pastes it in there, and now I can multiply by 100, and I can get my 4.46, just like we did on the other problem. So now the next problem was, what percent scores above 115? So that means we want the stuff to the right of 115. And there it is again. Click on it. I can paste it into the next spot and multiply by 100. So you get 11.13, just like we did on the calculator. Now, the nice thing about Desmos is I can do outers, meaning I could do stuff that is greater than 115 and less than 80. And so if you want that, it's only about 16%. You could do a left tail. So this would be how many scored lower than a certain amount. So the next problem was 75 people take the test. How many would we expect to score lower than 75? So 75 is the low score on the test, and you get that 0.021. I'm going to take that number and multiply by 100. This isn't there anymore, so I'll multiply by 100, and that's the percent. I expect 2.1 or 2.11 if you round to two decimals. 2.11%, but they want to know out of the 75 that took the test. So I should take this number, which is the decimal, times 75 people. And you probably talked about that in class. 1.57 people, so that's about 1 to 2 people in this group of 75 will score below 75. So that's how you use Desmos.